In this video, I am going to show you how to generate a Perplexity AI API key. Let's get started. First, log into your account at perplexity.ai. Make sure you are subscribed to Perplexity Pro or have added credits, because free accounts may have limited or no API access. Once logged in, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Go to Settings, then open the API tab. Inside the API Key section, click Generate API Key. Your new key will appear on the screen. Copy it immediately and store it somewhere secure. Treat this key like a password. Do not share it publicly. If you don't have credits, you can add a payment method and purchase credits in the same API tab. This is required for pay-as-you-go usage. You can also monitor your API usage and remaining credits there. Make sure you follow Perplexity's API terms of service, including not sharing your key and using the API responsibly. For detailed documentation and available models like Sonar, visit docs.perplexity.ai. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.